So now we know that the Travis versus Auden Larratt super match is not happening. But Travis told Dengin that his initial plan was to first defeat Auden Larratt pretty badly so that then Devon comes to avenge his son's loss, and eventually this second super match can be a big left arm big money super match. I would say that I'm glad this match is not happening, because if Travis is thinking about climbing the ladder up to Devon, that is not happening. I would say that Auden is far more closer to Travis than Travis is to Devon, even on the left arm. Auden is probably 1 year away from defeating Travis on the right arm, and I would say as of now I would have favored Travis, but I won't mind if this match is not happening. It was never meant to happen anyways. And speaking of Auden, I am noticing a trend here, and please correct me if I'm wrong here, but I would like to see Auden be more careful about this in the future. So he informed his fans that his next super match is going to be against Artem Taranenko. It will happen at the MAC, Major Arm Wrestling Championship event, which is hosted by his good friend, family friend, or I should say his father's friend, Ian Carnegie. And Auden as of now is around 230 pounds. There is going to be no weight cap for this match. So what felt surprising to me was that Auden was saying that Artem is expected to be around 225 pounds for this match. He said it's only going to be a couple of pounds difference. And I'm surprised and shocked to a point that at this moment, I'm even thinking that Auden may be intentionally lying about the weights of his opponents so that people don't call him out for picking smaller opponents. I know that finding a guy who's popular, who's at a very high level, and who's also similar in weight to Auden, so which is around 105 kilos, it's a difficult task. But he doesn't have to overinflate the numbers like this. I don't think Artem has ever weighed over 200 pounds. Right now, he's 192 pounds. So when these two were having some conversations about not having a weight cap or having a weight cap for this match, there is no way that Auden doesn't know how much Artem weighs. Like, for a guy who keeps on talking about getting massive, keeps on talking about his weight, I think he should have at least a rough idea about how much his opponents are weighing. 225 pounds and 192 pounds. Come on, man, there's a 30-pound difference here. There was a similar case in the Arm Wrestling Whisperer match as well. The weight gap was at least 40 pounds and Auden made it seem like 20 pounds only. When he was talking about the Abhas Rana match, he said Abhas weighs more than him. So I thought that both are around 105 kilos. But since Auden is saying Abhas is heavier, I also said in one of my videos that Auden may be weighing around 100 to 102 kilos. But that's not the case. He's 105. So I just hope that it's a misunderstanding and it's not a trend that continues in the future. Irakli Zirakashvili was curling 130 kilos with ease on the preacher bench. I know nobody can curl that weight with full range of motion, but for an arm wrestler, the range of motion looks pretty good. And if you show this video to someone else who doesn't know Irakli, that guy is for sure going to say that these are fake weights. There is no way that any human in this world can lift that amount of weight with that ease. Irakli is going to face Todd Hutchings soon. Last time, Todd reminded Irakli that bicep curls are not important, side pressure is more important. But Irakli kept on saying that whatever he's doing in the gym in terms of bicep curls and bicep strength, it is working for him and it will work for him in this match too. So let's wait and see how that goes. Magnus Samuelsson and Mindaugas Terasaitis were practicing together. So Magnus Samuelsson is a former strongman competitor and he's also a former European World Arm Wrestling Champion. Devon was also saying that probably Brian Shaw versus Magnus should happen. Magnus is trying to get back into arm wrestling, but after seeing him struggle against Mindaugas was casually holding him. We're not going to see the European champion come back. It will be surprising if he comes back to any serious level at all. But still, I don't think he's that old. He looks healthy, he looks fit. Maybe he can make a solid comeback. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe.